The International Football Association Board, or Ifab as it's more commonly known, is in Cardiff for its 130th annual general meeting. It's been hosted at the St David's Hotel, which you can see just behind me, and there's some big changes that are expected to be passed. Ifab are the guardians of the laws of the game. It consists of the Football Association of Wales, the English Football Association, the Scottish Football Association and the Irish Football Association, as well as FIFA. They look after the laws of the game from everything from red and yellow cards to misconduct. Each of the home associations have one vote each and FIFA has 4. Gianni Infantino is here in Cardiff for the 130th AGM in his first official role as the newly elected president of FIFA. He shall be sat alongside David Griffiths, the president of the FAW, and Chief Executive Jonathan Ford in the meeting as they look to ratify the latest decisions of Ifab. Included on the agenda for Ifab is the revision of the laws of the game, triple punishment in terms of a player being sent off and giving away a penalty, a 4th substitution in extra time, and also the expansion of sin bin experiments. So there's some potentially historic decisions to be made here at the 130th AGM of Ifab.
It was my pleasure to invite everybody here for the 130th Annual General Meeting of the International Football Association Board. This has probably been one of the most fundamental and historical meetings that this proud and historic association and board has had the pleasure of meeting for, deciding upon and hopefully then implementing. The most significant of which will be the introduction for testing of video assistant referees. There's been a massive substantial revision to the laws of the game, plus a green light with regards to agenda items including triple punishment.
Ifab and FIFA are now leading the debate and not stopping the debate. We have shown that we are listening to the fans, to the players, to football. We are listening to football and we are applying common sense. Of course, we have to be cautious, of course, and we are cautious, but we are also open to look into matters and to take concrete measures. We show that we are really leading the debate, and I'm really grateful for that and for being part of it.